guys, I'm Gucci Westman and I'm going to show you our newest launch, Westman Atelier, is eye pods. So they come in 2 palettes. Oftentimes when I have a palette, I end up using one shade and you carry this whole big thing with you. And so you can take them apart, you can take one with you. Our son actually was playing around with these lids. So he was playing around, he was going like this playing. David and I looked at each other and we were like, ooh. I saw it for the first time with our vendor 2.5 years ago. It was full of silicones. I said, please, can you make this clean, please? And they said, it's impossible. The base is all silicones. We can't do it. And finally they did it. The texture is really nice. It feels kind of like Play-Doh. It's a powder that's creamy, but it has staying power. It's not a streaky cream that will disappear after 20 minutes. We're also launching these 2 little brushes. The handles are short, so they look like this. See, one is for application and one is for blending, but they can both be used either way. You know, short handle because you're closer to your face. Sustainably made by the oldest brush maker in the world in Japan. We have these 2 palettes. One is called Les Nuits, which means the day. And the reason I have a lot of French names is because I went to makeup school in Paris. That's all we talked about was makeup all day long. They have our little heart logo. Aren't they so cute? This is the second palette and this is called Les Nuits. There are 3 shades: transparent black, a champagne color, and then there's a oxblood color. You know, sometimes you can just use the black if you want as an eyeliner with a flat brush, and you can pop on the champagne color on your cheeks or Cupid's bow. It's real kind of multitasking here. I'm going to use on myself Les Nuits because I like the oxblood. So I'm gonna use, it's called ROUGE, which is red wine. Applying across my lid, and there's a transparency to the shades because it is metallic. Oxblood's a really beautiful, flattering color, and it's super diverse, complementary on a lot of eye colors. Green, blue, brown, it's super beautiful. We want to be fast and efficient. When I do my makeup to go out, I take 5 minutes. Sometimes you may want to put a little black eyeliner in your tear line. I'm just popping on a little bit of the champagne, my tear duct. You can put on the Cupid's bow. It's all about layering. You have your black. I'm not really an eyeliner person because my eyes are small, but I will add a bit of black to my bottom. Might just add a little bit more mascara because I feel like you look a little bare if you have more of an eye and then not enough mascara. I like the contrast of the black. What do you guys think? Easy 5-minute eye. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was a fast 5-minute eye. I can't wait to hear what you guys think, and if you have any shades that you would like us to work on and bring out. And remember, there's no silicones, guys, according to a super strict blacklist. Let us know in our comments what you want to see next and what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.